Okay, I wanted to show you our D.O.T compression fittings for air brake, how you install them onto a air brake hose. You unscrew it, you put the nut on first, and then the sleeve, and then you just put the hose inside the insert, and you tighten it down with a wrench. Pretty nice, pretty easy. All right, check out this kit that we have on sale. It comes with all the nuts, 1/4 to 5/8, the sleeves, 1/4 to 5/8, same with the inserts. And then we have the unions, same sizes, male connectors, most popular sizes, 90s and 45s, and even a 1/4 3-way. Pretty nice kit.